In this episode, we are going to discuss about transportation management, a powerful module that can revolutionize the way businesses handle their logistics and supply chain operations. We will use a real-life scenario from the retail industry to illustrate the module's functionalities, making it easier for you to understand and apply these concepts in your own professional environment. Imagine you are the logistics manager at RetailCo, a large retail company that sells a variety of products from clothing to electronics. Your job is to ensure that these products reach your stores on time, in the right quantity, and in the perfect condition. This is where transportation management comes into play. Planning and consolidation. The journey begins with the receipt of orders from various stores. These orders are consolidated in the transportation management module, which helps you plan the most efficient way to deliver the goods. For instance, if store A and store B located in the same city both order the same product, the system will suggest consolidating these orders into one shipment to save on transportation cost. Carrier selection. Next, the system assists in selecting the best carrier for the shipment based on the factors like cost, delivery time, and carrier performance. Suppose carrier X offers a lower rate but has a history of late deliveries, while carrier Y is slightly more expensive but always delivers on time. The system will help you weigh these factors and make an informed decision. Route optimization. The module also provides route optimization capabilities. If you have multiple deliveries in the same region, it will suggest the most efficient route to minimize travel time and fuel consumption. For example, if you have deliveries for store A, store B, and store C, the system will calculate the shortest route to visit all three stores. Execution and monitoring. Once the planning is complete, the system helps execute the transportation plan. It generates freight orders and sends them to the selected carriers. It allows you to monitor the status of your shipments in real time, providing alerts for any delays or issues. For instance, if a truck breaks down on the way to store B, you will be notified immediately so you can take corrective actions. Settlement. Finally, the system assists in settlement process. It verifies the invoices against the agreed rates and services, ensuring you only pay what was delivered. If carrier Y charges for express delivery but the shipment arrived late, the system will flag this for discrepancy. Transportation management is a comprehensive tool that can streamline your logistics operations, reduce cost, and improve service levels. It takes you from the initial planning stage all the way to settlement, providing visibility and control over your transportation processes. Stay tuned for more insights.